In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website using AI tools and turn your idea into a finished, published site. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow. The goal here is not just to make something that looks good, but to create a website with a clear structure, strong visuals, and content that feels polished from the start. First, begin by using ChatGPT to plan the structure of your website. This is a great way to organize your ideas before you start designing anything. You can use it to map out the main pages, decide what sections should appear on the homepage, and clarify the purpose of the site. For example, you might want a hero section, an about section, services, testimonials, and a contact area. Starting with structure helps you avoid guessing later and gives the whole project a stronger foundation. Once the structure is clear, ask ChatGPT to help generate the website copy, section content, and layout ideas. This can save a huge amount of time, especially if writing is not your favorite part of the process. You can use the AI to draft headlines, descriptions, calls to action, and even the tone of voice for different parts of the site. At this stage, it also helps to gather ideas for how each section should be arranged visually, so the design feels intentional and easy to navigate. Next, generate AI art or visuals for the website. These can be used to create a unique look and give the site a more modern, custom feel. Try to keep the style consistent so the final website looks cohesive. Even simple visuals can make a big difference when they support the overall message of the brand or project. After that, open Figma and start creating the website design. This is where everything begins to come together visually. Build the layout based on the structure you planned earlier and focus on making it clean, readable, and balanced. Then place the AI-generated text and images into the design. Seeing the real content inside the layout makes it much easier to judge what works and what needs improvement. As you do this, adjust the spacing, colors, and layout so the page feels polished and visually consistent. Small refinements here can dramatically improve the final result. When the design looks ready, convert or export it into a website builder. This step takes your static design and turns it into something functional online. Finally, preview the site carefully, check that everything looks right, and then publish your finished website. And that's the full process for using AI to go from idea to live website quickly and efficiently.